before
naman.
the arrival of Ferdinand Magellan, kingdoms have already been established
Totoo yan.
sa iba't ibang area ng Pilipinas. And these kingdoms are headed by
The Sultanate or the Datu.
yan, mga Datu, Sultanates that are already. Actually, ang unang nilabanan nila were the Dutch against the invasion of the Dutch as supported by the Bruneian kingdoms from Brunei, from Maharaja.
Yung binabanggit mo, yan yung historical distortion.
Oo, yan,
na
sige.
sinasabi nila na ang nagbigay ng sibilisasyon sa
Ayan.
sa Pilipinas ay yung
Yan yung
arrival
hindi-
ng mga
Yan
Spaniards,
yung hindi
no?
talaga na pag-uusapan.
Wherein pa, kung titingnan mo yan, binabanggit mo nga, long before the arrival of Magellan, meron na tayong government structure at the time headed
Yes.
by a sultanate or yung mga datus or yung mga raja. Of
Yes.
course, we have Raja Sulaiman. Lapu-Lapu is also
Mm-hmm.
a chieftain of a certain community at the time.